Hi, I'm Matt from MaxTow Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what's included when you purchase one of our diesel gauge packages. So today I'm going to walk you through what's included in our MaxTow Match triple gauge package for 4th gen Ram trucks. So in this particular package, you're going to get a 60 psi boost gauge, a 1500 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge, and a 30 psi fuel pressure gauge, all featuring a factory match display with a dimming button on the front. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52 millimeter 60 psi boost gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, a 52 millimeter 1500 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front, and a 52 millimeter 30 psi fuel pressure gauge with an analog and digital display with a dimming button on the front. Also included in the packaging, we have two 9-foot pressure sensor harnesses, a 3-foot EGT probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot EGT sensor harness with a waterproof connector, 3-gauge power harness, 2 pressure sensors, a Cummins Boost bolt adapter, snubber valve, mounting brackets with hardware, gauge visors for sun glare, complete replacement factory color match triple gauge pillar pod with a pillar mounting bolt and installation instructions. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit us at maxtow.com.